Hi everyone, Ben here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to give you a precious metals market update for July 26, 2025. And we're seeing gold, silver, and the miners, I think, setting up for a breakout higher. We'll take a look at the gold hourly chart. You can see we broke this little trend line here, and I'll zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. So we broke that little trend line, and then we are forming a divergence here with the price and the MACD. So a little bit of slowing, downward momentum, and possibly a little run on the stops in the gold market with traders forcing it down and breaking this upward sloping red trend line. So we could be seeing a local bottom in gold, and gold could reverse back up. And I think longer term, we've been in this 3 month consolidation for gold. I do think it's going to break higher, and we're seeing some signs of that in silver, and the miners are hinting that this consolidation is going to end up going higher. And what I mean by that, you can see that we have an upward trend here in silver. We just keep kind of going up and breaking out to new highs where gold hasn't broken to new highs. It's just going sideways. But silver is a riskier asset. And by silver breaking to new highs in the last 3 months and gold not, you're seeing a increased risk appetite for the riskier assets like silver. So silver here has been pulling back as well the last couple of days. So we broken this first support line and come back to the secondary support line where we're getting a bounce. So that horizontal support is at the top of this consolidation where we did form a divergence here with the price and the MACD. So we've gone back and retested that top and getting a little bounce here in the silver price. And the miners, again, are looking a little stronger than gold. We've made some new highs here and retested the highs here just a few days ago. And it has been weak for a couple days as well. We're pulling back from that retest, which is pretty normal to pull back once you retest a local high. And so gold as or the gold miners longer term have made these newer highs compared to here, where this is where gold topped out. And so again, a little bit more strength in what's considered riskier asset in the gold miners instead of gold. So investors bidding up the gold miners to make that new high and not in gold is showing again an increased risk appetite in the precious metal space. And that's why I think that gold also continues higher. And you see that with this gold miner market. It's pretty normal. You got to move up here. Okay, you get a consolidation, you get a breakout. Sometimes it's not really a consolidation, it's just a kind of a quick drop lower, and then another break higher, and then you get this consolidation here with this falling wedge and a breakout, and now we're forming another consolidation that's sort of more flat here. So looking a little bit more bullish than even this consolidation here because it's flat. So that's the way the market moves. It goes up, it consolidates. 2/3 of the time, it goes in the direction that it was before when it breaks out of the consolidation. So I am expecting for that reason as well, and the strength in the miners and silver that we're going to head up here in gold, silver, and the miners. And we'll just get a little closer view here. So we retested that high around 54.50 and then pulled back over the last couple days, looking like we're setting up for a breakout over the medium term in the gold miners as well. And we're seeing a little bit of strength here in some of the exploration names. So I made these all 3 months. This is all a 3 month chart. And that's about the time that gold has been consolidating. And so gold hasn't made newer highs, but some of these quality juniors have been trending up. And so Banyan has been going up here. It's had a very strong move here over the last last month, but it is up over that 3 month period. This is just the move that it had on Friday, and that's true with all of them. And Pacific Ridge, that's a copper explorer. Again, it's been pretty strong here over the last three months, moving up into the right. Silver Storm down here. Again, strong move upwards here, especially lately in that stock. And Getchell Gold, the 3 month chart, we are trending up here, although not quite as strongly as some of the others. So we are seeing that increased risk appetite in the junior space, just like silver and the miners compared to gold. So we're seeing some money flow into these juniors as well, the riskier asset. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.